Welcome to our guide on the analog and digital setup for NineFocus. Before you can start, you need to assemble all necessary parts for NineFocus. In the first step, you need to choose the correct modules. There are two different types of modules that can be used with NineFocus. The modules can be divided in either analog measurement modules, AMM, or digital measurement modules, DMM. There are two analog measurement modules available. One analog measurement module is for pH, redox or ion concentration, the other one is for conductivity. Next, we have the digital measurement module or DMM. The DMM is a 4-in-1 module and supports the parameters pH, redox, conductivity and dissolved oxygen. When connecting an analog pH sensor, if the sensor does not have a fixed cable, make sure to choose the correct cable. The BNC and RCA connectors are then connected to the module. All the analog conductivity sensors have a fixed cable, and they are connected to the conductivity analog measurement module by using a mini-DIN plug. DES cable. Now let's look at the digital setup. For all the DES sensors, namely pH, conductivity and dissolved oxygen, only one single cable is required. We'll use the 1.2 meter cable. Notice that the end of the DES cable is an ALTW adapter, which connects directly to the DES module on NineFocus. DES sensors are digital sensors. Now let's have a look at the digital sensors. Laid out on the table is a digital pH, conductivity and dissolved oxygen sensor. But what does digital mean? Digital sensors process the data right inside the sensor itself, transmitting digital data through the cable signal bridge. Signal bridge. Sensors for the parameters pH and conductivity have a middle part called the signal bridge. The signal bridge is responsible for the analog-digital conversion. This part can be detached from the sensor itself. The signal bridge lasts much longer than the sensor and contains valuable electronics. By reusing the signal bridge and replacing only the sensor, cost and waste can be reduced. The dissolved oxygen sensor comes without signal bridge. However, the digital analog conversion also happens in the sensor. At the tip of the sensor is the sensor cap. After the lifetime of the sensor cap is over, it can be replaced. Let's examine the back of the meter. You'll notice that there are 4 channels for the modules. They are labeled from the bottom to the top. At the bottom, there's a built-in digital module in channel 1. That is reserved solely for DES sensors. Channel 2 to 4 can be occupied with either analog or digital measurement modules. Now let's assemble the analog sensor. Insert the pH analog measurement module and connect it with the BNC cable. Then connect the cable with the analog routine Pro ISM sensor and mount it on easy place. Insert the digital measurement module and connect the digital conductivity sensor. Now all the sensors are ready for your measurements. If you want to learn more about NineFocus, be sure to check out the other videos.